In the previous section, we realized that our name and address of the graduate student is not properly passed to our object. And the reason is because this graduate student is extending from the student class, and by default in the student class we have set these two variables to empty. How do we fix that? So let's go and fix it. So the best way is to pass the name and the string as a parameter as soon as we define the class. So this way we don't need to initialize them here, and in the grad student we just need to pass them because we are extending this. We need to pass the name and the address to this. And in the demo, now we're gonna just run again. So now we have the name and the address, Mark and London. So that's something else that we have to be careful when we're extending a class. We have to make sure that we are not setting those parameters to null, or we are just doing it right. Okay, so let's just look at the object class. I just want to review some stuff. So we talked about the objects in the previous session. We said that object is actually a singleton of the class, a singleton class, and we don't have static members in a Scala. And every time we want to execute a program, and if you want to create a run, we create an object. It means there's only one instance of this class exists, and we define main. It's exactly like Java, except that doesn't have a static, and then we can create our object. This is how we create an object and pass the parameters, and this is how we call a method on object. So here we are calling print info. It's printing their stuff. And if you want to see, and here we are using string literal s, which is super useful. You just have to add s before your quotation, and you need to use $sign every time you are passing a variable name and not a fixed string. So let's see how we also write get attendance year. How we implement this method. We implement it by using the calendar class in java.util. It can give you the get instance of, if you call calendar.get instance, it gives you the current date, time, second, minute, and the hour of the moment you're calling this. And then you can call .get calendar.year to get, actually, for example, in this case, you wanted to know what was the year, and then you call toString to make sure you're converting this to string, because in this method, we were expecting a string. So that's it for this session, and let's move to the next level of inheritance. Thank you.